What's up everyone, welcome back to a brand new Roblox tutorial video. My name is Mr. Crow and today we are going to be making a shop GUI, so all the on-screen GUIs in all the really good games, they're made of GUIs inside starter GUI. So we're going to learn how to make that today. This is part 1. We're going to do a part 2 later. So you're going to be able to click on stuff and actually get the items and pay for it and all that stuff. So yeah. So yeah, we're making a GUI inside Roblox Studio. So the first thing that we're going to do, like I said in the beginning, we're going to enter a screen GUI and start a GUI. We're gonna just name this to shop GUI. So when I name stuff, you don't have to name this. I'm just doing it so you know what I'm doing and so you can understand all that. So inside that, we're gonna add a frame. We can change the size of the frame. I'm gonna make it about this big, and however big you want it to be. And then something that you can do is add UI corners. And what this does is it makes some pretty nice corners on the sides. If you like that style, doesn't matter if you do or not. So inside frame, we're gonna rename this to shop frame. So yeah, inside shop frame, we're gonna add a text button and just put this right here for now. Inside shop frame, we're gonna change the color. Doesn't matter what you want it to be. I'm just gonna do like, sure, I like that color, so I'm just gonna keep that color. So now I go inside text button, and then this is gonna be the close shop, so you're gonna press this to close the shop. I recommend making these two numbers the same, so it's really hard to do. So I'm trying to get mine to 69 69. And again, you can add UI corners to it, like that. Change the size. We're gonna be naming this close GUI, like that. And inside the text button, we're gonna be adding a local script, which is gonna be called closed script. Just like that. So now inside shop GUI, we're gonna add a text button, and this is going to be to open the shop. So you can put it wherever you want. I'm gonna put it like, you can put it up here, and I'm just gonna put it on the side like this. So we're gonna name this. We're gonna name this open GUI, and we're gonna put a script inside this called, we're gonna name this script open script. Alright, and then so this is what's gonna open the script, and this is what's gonna close the script. So now if you want to, you can again add UI corners. You can change the color, purple. And so yeah, so now for this thing, this button, I would recommend making this red because it's going to be to close the shop. You can change the text to capital X, lowercase x, doesn't really matter. Change the size, change the font. I recommend source sans bold. So yeah, next we're gonna edit the script. So now we're gonna say script dot parent dot mouse button one click. That's the mouse button, colon, connect function. So basically whenever someone clicks on this, then it's going to run this function. We're going to use script dot parent, which is close GUI, dot parent, which is the shot frame, dot visible equals false, so that you no longer can see the shot frame, which is everything here, and everything inside of it. So now for the open GUI, it's going to be opening it. We're going to rename this, and we're going to be saying script dot parent dot mouse button one click colon connect function, and then we're going to say script dot parent, which is the shot frame, dot shot frame dot visible equals true, right? Because we want to be able to see the shot frame. So yeah, and then you can of course edit this, edit this, edit this, and so yeah, before you run the game, you're gonna go inside shot frame, make this not visible, because then you're gonna be able to see it right as you get in the game. So right as you get in the game, you're gonna be able to mess around, jump, interact with the game, and then when you want to buy something from the shop, click this button and everything is going to show up. So yeah, we're going to cover all the buying stuff and clicking on that in the next video. That'll be coming out shortly soon. It should be about a month or 2 weeks or something. I don't really know yet. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below. Join my Discord server, it's going to be in the comments. I may make a website soon, so if you want to see that, you can just you can see that when it comes out. If you want me to do a specific video for a problem that you have, just comment down below or do it in this video ideas in Discord, and I'll probably do the video. See you guys.